Anarchy, and it is Pride Month, so I wanted to post a rainbow inspired look. I've done a bunch of rainbow looks in the past. I've never filmed a tutorial for any of them, so I figured this was the perfect opportunity to. So I did this look, which is like a weird combination of two looks I've done before. I'm super happy with how it came out. It looks super, super cute, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let's just get started. Okay, I am going to very quickly do my base. I'm gonna apply my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm gonna do my foundation off camera and like just do my concealer and my eyebrows and everything off camera because you guys have seen that 1,000 times. But I do want to very quickly show you guys what foundation I'm using because it's great, and I just want to brag about it for a second, or like rave about it. I'm gonna probably demo it more in an upcoming video, but I got the new Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in this little tube. It's very affordable, and I'm just gonna take a little bit so you guys can see how full coverage this is. Like, look at that. Here, I'm gonna be all beauty guru-y and just smear it across my face. Like, it is so full coverage. You guys will still see me apply it. Like right now, if you guys need a affordable, full coverage, basically will cover everything on your face foundation, this is it. I highly recommend this. Comes in a lot of shades. I'm Somalia 350. That's my shade. So if you're anywhere near my skin tone, I guess start from there. Work your way around. But just look at that. That's amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish the rest of my base off camera. Just wanted to jump in here and tell you guys that. All right, so our base is done, and we have two lovely guests joining us. I'm going to call them Samantha and Rachel. I hate them, but they're here. I'm going to do a combination of my two other rainbow looks that I've done, which is this one and this one. I'm going to do the color scheme from the one with the hearts on the cheeks, where this side's gonna be the warmer side, I think. Or this side? I don't know. One side's gonna be warmer, one side's gonna be cooler. The cooler parts of the rainbow, and I'm gonna add the drips from the other look, and I'm gonna make them into like I'm crying, like tears or like raindrops, because I have these little raindrop stickers that I'm gonna add at the end. So I'm starting over. I actually just started, but like you could see there's pink going on right here, and because I totally forgot I wanted to apply the new ABH lid primer or eyeshadow primer, because it'll really help the colors pop. I just took way too much of it, but I guess that's good for this look. Okay, Joe. But it's very much like a concealer. Normally I would apply it with a brush, but I don't have a spare one that's clean right now. I'm just gonna pat it on to my lid. And this stuff really helps make colors super vibrant. I don't even normally care about primers, especially for eyeshadows, but I got this in PR, and like I've been using it every once in a while, and I've noticed a major difference in like how vibrant the colors are. So I definitely want to use it for this look. And it's so, what's cool about it to me is it's so thick and opaque with its like bone color that I can use it to cut my crease even. So then I make another base to put like whatever I was putting on under my cut crease, if that makes sense. Okay, so now my eyes are primed. So I'm gonna go back and do what I did before, which I'm going to be using all Sugar Pill shadows for the rainbow because those are the best rainbow colors I own. So I'm gonna start with Tokyo, which isn't out yet, and I'm gonna apply that on the outer corner and kind of blend it up. Oh yeah, that's so much brighter automatically and was so much easier to do without, like with this primer on. I'm really kind of patting it on. I'm like diffusing it outwards. What should I put on the lower? I didn't think about what I'm putting on the lower lash line. I don't know if I'll put anything. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna put anything actually. I think I'm just gonna smoke it out. Pink is placed. Now I'm gonna go into my Pro palette, which is totally dirty. And I'm going to take the red, which is Love Plus. Oh, that's way better. Okay, yeah. I'm not gonna include what it looked like before because it's not like that big a deal, but this eyeshadow primer definitely helped with the blending, with the pigmentation. I think I'm gonna use Snowflake, which is a ABH loose highlighter, to like clean up the under eyebrow area and like highlight. That'll make sense later. I'm just gonna keep going, and I'm gonna use Flame Point for the orange and Buttercup Cake for the inner corner. Now I'm gonna take some of the other colors, like right now I'm taking orange, and I'm just going to blend the transitions for each one, focusing mostly on the upper parts because I'm going to cut my crease. I don't know why I'm focusing so much on what's going on with my lid when it like actually doesn't matter in the long run. So I've got an interesting sunset eye going on. All right, so we've got that all prepped. This thing's a lifesaver, legit. And I'm going to take the yellow butter cupcake and do the inner corner over here. So we've got the yellow inner corner. I'm gonna go straight into Arsenic, which is another new sugar pill shade that I have destroyed. I have majorly hit pan on. It's not even out yet. This is like the sample, one of the lab samples. Like I don't even think this is like the approved one. It's like one of the lab samples. But I love this color so much that I like took one of the lab samples. I was like, this is like, again, I don't know why I keep applying it so hard to the lid when I know I'm gonna cut my crease. You guys do that even in your makeup? Like you continue to apply it to places where you know it's not necessarily gonna go just for symmetry or whatever. Now I'm gonna take Mochi, not my dog. I'm gonna take the color Mochi from my Pro palette. And I'm not gonna use too much of it, but like I'm just gonna use it to... No, you know what? I was gonna use Kimchi as my blue, but I think Mochi is a better transition from green. And then from here I have to go another blue to purple, so I think that's gonna be fine. This is coming out super cute. All right, now I'm gonna take Velocity. I don't have a lot of lid space, so like stuff like this is always super hard for me, but I always really like doing it. So, and then last, I'm going to take Poison Plum and put it on the outer corner of the side. All right, so that's our rainbow base. Now it's time to cut the crease. So now I'm gonna take some more of that ABH eyeshadow primer base on a little brush like this, and I'm going to just, oh wait, first, yeah, about there. I'm gonna place it and pull it down. But I'm gonna be kind of quiet for this so I can focus. But you'll see what I'm going for. All right, that's the exact shape I want. Let's pray to God I can duplicate it on the other side. That's about right. I'm surprised at how well this is going. Because I'm only trying to visualize it and I barely remember what I did last time. And honestly, when I did the last two, I wasn't as good at makeup as I am now. Like, you're always learning and improving, but I'm going from like 0 to 100 on my experience level so quickly. Well, not 100, but you know what I mean. Like, I'm learning and changing my technique so quickly that I feel like sometimes looks that I did like only a few months ago, I hate compared to like newer stuff. Okay, cool. It still already has Poison Plum on it, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and reapply some right here. And then also take Velocity and just kind of blend that back in. So I did like a half cut crease, which is what I usually do, honestly. And then clean it off and do the same thing with, I believe, Love Plus. Yeah, Love Plus for this one is about where it stopped. Blend that in a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take Taco, which is the white shade from Sugar Pill, and I'm going to apply it on the clouds so that they're white. So what I'm using is I'm taking a small detail brush to do like the top part of the clouds, because the only brush I have to fill in the clouds is kind of big, and I don't want to go up into like little curves of the clouds with the big brush, just in case I end up ruining everything, so that I can keep everything super precise. I'm applying this small ass brush, which is taking forever, but I like how this look is coming out, so I'm gonna take my time with it. Even though I'm getting too confident, like I can feel myself getting too confident and doing quickly when I shouldn't be. Now it's time for the bigger brush. There's always a side that doesn't look as good, and for this one, it's the pink, like, warm stuff. Always. No matter what, there's always one side that looks better, which, you know, makes sense, but still, it's always so annoying. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna blend in that area. Just make that transition a little smoother. Oh my god, that looks super good. I'm gonna do the same thing on side with the plus. So now that that is done, that's basically like the crux of the look. So I'm taking the snowflake loose highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to put it in the inner corner. What I do with this highlighter, at least when I'm trying to do something like an inner corner highlight, is I take it and I put it on. You can see it's a pretty light highlighter. And then I press it into the skin because it's so pigmented that like you need to diffuse it with a finger, I believe. Unless you're trying to get it like on your cheek or something and you have more area to work with, but when you try to do something so focused, I kind of have to do it like that. Alright, so that part's done, and I'm going to put it underneath my brow, like up here, as kind of like a little highlight, and also to help transition and clean up like where it transitions on into my brow, just so it looks a little cleaner. Now, I'm going to take the detail brush that I did the white with, and I'm just going to clean it off real quick. I think I'm going to take some setting spray. I think I'm going to take Dewy Mist, like the Anastasia Dewy Mist, and I'm just going to basically mix it with the eyeshadow, a little bit of the eyeshadow. And I'm going to try and draw little tears. Well, that looks great. I never know how to make tears look realistic, or like drips, unless like what I'm using is really enough to actually drip. But this looks pretty good because of how wet the setting spray is. Like if I used a mixing medium, it would have been more goopy. So now I'm going to do that with, I think, orange on this one, and then green and blue, and maybe green, blue, purple on this one, and then orange, and I don't know if I'm going to use yellow. But yeah, I'm going to do the same steps for all of those. You know what sucks? I just realized I never put blush on and stuff. I was going to do that after, but I totally forgot I wanted to do a cheek look. So I think I'm going to put a light smattering of blush on before I put the stickers on. But I'm kind of sad that I just now realized that I messed that whole thing up. And I wasn't sure what I was going to do at the bottom, but I don't know now. I think I'm just going to put like a neutral smoked out shade and some big lashes. I'm going to take HOE. I'm just going to say, I'm going to take Ho from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. And I'm just going to use that on the bottom. I know that kind of erased some of the tears, but my lashes were going to do that anyway, so don't worry about it. I should have technically done this before, but I didn't plan this look out well, okay? Alright, that looks really, really good. I'm going to go ahead and do my liner and lashes off camera because this video is getting kind of long anyway, and I've kind of done the main part I needed to do, so I will be back. Okay, so we're back, and I'm in love with this. This is so cute. I love this. It looks so good. Dude, I did something. I'm gonna go into this blush trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills and use Exotic, which is this middle shade, this one, and just kind of lightly blush on the sides, trying not to get onto the drips, just so I can have a little bit of blush. This one I can be a little less careful because it's pink, so it doesn't really matter. A little bit on my tip of my nose, warmth, and chin, and center. Alright, and then lastly, gonna take this contour palette from Black Radiance. Not a real contour, but just a little bit of shading. Because I totally didn't do that before I did the drips, and I 100% should have. That was a mistake. And then I'm gonna go into this Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm using a lot of Anastasia because I got the PR package and it's all like still on my desk. So instead of going to look for other stuff, I'm just using ABH. I'm gonna use the Tourmaline blush highlight just a little bit, very lightly because I don't want to use drips. Nose highlight, chin, center of the head. And now I'm gonna take this Anastasia liquid lipstick in Stone, which is like a dark nude for me. I'm gonna apply that. All right, that's perfect. Last thing, with this big afro poops, I low-key look like a clown. Last thing is these little tears. I'm going to take them and I'm just gonna apply them at the bottoms of drips. They're varying in size, so I'm gonna try and put like different sized ones, different places. In fact, you know what? I should switch out some of these. Hold on. That one's going there because this can cover my zip. So you serve a purpose. All right. So that's pretty much it. All right, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for next week where there'll be another tutorial Tuesday. There might not be a freestyle Friday, not this week, but next week because I have to go out of town. I'll see, maybe, possibly, I'll try. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do this look, be sure to tag me and let me see. Be sure to subscribe so you can see more of my content. And I'll see you next time. Bye!